Hi, welcome to ATL Space Challenge 2021. I am Divyanshi Soni from ATL St. Xavier's Bharni. Our problem statement is we are at a unique juncture of human history. Within next few years, we may be able to confirm Earth-like planets or Earth's twins around other stars where conditions are suitable for life or to exist or even find a proof of life on those planets. Purpose of this project to use the data generated from various sources and come up with machine learning model which could use planetary features to classify exoplanets into habitable and non-habitable planets. Now I invite Nishika to speak further.
Hi, I am Nishika Mandal. Now, innovation title Exoplanet Hunting. Theme Rich Space. Sub theme AIML in Space. Now, team members Divyanshi Soni, Nishika Manhar, Bhavya Gupta. Now, technical details. An exoplanet is a planet outside the solar system. Now, why are we predicting habitability? We are in a search of a planet which is habitable and may have an environment much better than the Earth. Exoplanet temperature, size, mass, density, flux, period, etc. Galaxy offers up a menu of worlds that echo accepts of our own yet at same time are vastly different. Habitable zone. Distance from a star at which liquid water could exist on orbiting planets. Now I would like to call Bhavya for the next.
Good morning to all. I am Bhavya Gupta. Now I would describe the tools and technologies that we have used. First, Orange Data Mining. Second, Big Data Analytics. Third, ATL AI module from St. Xavier's Bharni. I would invite Divyanshi to speak further.
Now I will be giving you information about testing and our ground application of the prototype. Primary source of data was list of potentially habitable planets, Wikipedia, NASA Exoplanet Archive, planetary candidates observed by Kepler-8. Each record in this archive represented one potential planet orbiting its planet star. For our training, we needed set of planets which have been identified as potentially habitable. We obtained this list of habitable planets from Planetary Habitability Laboratory. Habitable exoplanets and potential habitability not confirmed planets were finally used in our training and text exercise. Orange data mining has been taken for visualization as well as for prediction. Dataset. After analyzing each attribute of data from its description, 7 planetary features were identified. Some of these features are planetary radius, isolation flux, equilibrium temperature, orbital period, distance from parent star, etc. A complete visualization of dataset was prepared using tools such as linear projection, radviz, line plot, freeviz, scatter plot, bar plot. We have also visualized the role of different parameters for prediction of habitable exoplanets. Some of these are radii by using Violin plot, mass by using heat map, density by using distributions and Violin plot, flux by using bar plot and distributions. We have also assessed the role of equilibrium temperature by using mosaic display. Distance from the star by using sieve diagram. Our experiment was with neural network, constant, random forest, scholastic gradient, linear regression, KNN and SVM. We also classified on the basis of tree. Prediction of potentially habitable planets by using orange data mining is as shown. We also had not confirmed habitable exoplanets. Test for the best data model of all shows that SVM and constant are the best data models of all and have better accuracy. We also obtained confusion matrix for all the data models. The conclusion is that a program representing machine learning model was successfully created using data, and it also predicted habitable planets with characteristics that we expect from habitable planets. Now, I invite Bhavya to speak further.
Moving ahead, here are the role of participants. First, Divyanshi Soni for big data exploration, visualization, data modeling and prediction, preparation of synopsis and PPT presentation, research and development of project and submission. Nishika Manhar for coordination, research and development, data filtration, preparation of datasets, group discussion and submission. Bhavya Gupta for support, coordination, data collection, data research and development, and final submission. Thank you.